Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a little vlogging, as well as I'm going to do something else later on the day. So let's go shopping for a little bit. So today I decided to do an avocado mask. I'm going to put a little bit of oil mix in it. I have exactly how I do this mask and this oil mix for you guys to see on my channel. And all I'm going to do is apply this all over my hair. And yes, I do apply this from root to tip. I massage it in my scalp quite a bit to make sure that it is all over my scalp as well as all over my hair, because I want this to not only treat my strands as well as my scalp. This avocado mask is great. If you're having any hair and scalp issues and you wanted to do a natural, easy mask, I highly recommend this avocado mask. It's simple to make. I'm going to have the link for you guys on my channel so you can see how I did this and apply it just all over your hair from root to tip. Now, after you have this all over your hair from root to tip, the next thing you need to do is to put a plastic cap over your hair. And then I'm going to use my Ladle Ali heat cap, and because I'm going to leave this in for about 30 minutes, not too long, because the indirect heat is going to help. And I did a little face mask while I was waiting on that. And once you take this out, you'll notice how much is soaked in, how hydrated your hair look, how soft it will feel. And it's time to rinse it out. I am going to comb this out. My hair is super soft. It's completely detangled, so it's not going to rip out. I do have a few little hair that comes out when I do this, but it's nothing much at all. I comb it out because I want to make sure my hair is pretty open to when I rinse it out. To use my little scrub to go ahead and actually scrub my scalp as I take this out, because I want to make sure my scalp is completely clean, and rinse it out for a good 5 to 10 minutes. Just make sure your hair is completely rinsed out, and you'll see how gorgeous your hair looks, how hydrated it looks. I just absolutely love this result, and you don't have to do anything but go ahead and dry your hair out, and that's pretty much it, guys. So So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, of course, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you'll know when I have new videos that are coming out. Give this video a thumbs up, leave all of your comments down below, and don't forget to go over and watch my last video.